Okay, I want to go over some tips for body paragraphs. First of all, in terms of organization, I'd like to provide this worksheet for students, which just demonstrates that there are lots of different ways that we can organize our essays. If we do a concession assertion thesis, then you could think about this top format that I'm doing, having a concession as your first body paragraph. Your NR stands for Neolithic Revolution, trying to answer the question, did Neolithic Revolution improve human life? Say, okay, it was terrible because of X. Or if you were doing the question, was the Neolithic Revolution actually a revolution? Some argue it was not a revolution because X. And then you could have however many body paragraphs that are assertions. It could be one, it could be two, three, or four, however many you want. Obviously, you want to word your topic sentence a little differently for each one: positive, beneficial, improved human life, um, or reasons why it was a revolution. You can also conceivably put the concession after all the assertion paragraphs. That's possible as well. Um, and if you, another format you can do, which works well in some types of essays, not always, is having a little bit of a concession at the start of each paragraph and then assertions that come after it. So, this works well in this format, for example, where you're saying for each one, while the traditional story argues the Neolithic Revolution was a revolution because of settled societies, for example, actually, many Paleolithic societies already had villages and towns, or although we've always believed that um, specialized labor only came after farming, new evidence shows that there was hierarchy and jobs in hunter-gatherer societies, that type of thing. Um, I remind students that section headers can be really helpful to organize an essay, and so that you can have shorter paragraphs and still feel like you have a topic sentence for each section, but not necessarily for each paragraph, to just shorten up paragraphs. Some body paragraph examples here that I give my students. We might talk about how some information is paraphrased, some information, when it's from a good primary source, for example, we see the quotation here from the primary source. Okay. These are all of the criteria for success that I look at in my body paragraphs for my students: selection and use of evidence, the overall argument, the content accuracy and complexity, the organization, and the language. My colleague Michelle Brito created this wonderful T worksheet for topic, sentence, evidence, and analysis. Um, and of course, this is key here for the analysis. How does the evidence, whether paraphrase or quoting, help? We don't really prove anything, but help support, I would say, your topic, sentence, and overall thesis. A really nice formatting.